What's the meaning of associates? Associates. Associates.
Association. Association. Association is an abbreviation for associate and is often used as a title or prefix to indicate someone who holds a lower rank or position in an organization, profession or academic field. The use of association is most commonly seen in titles such as associate professor, associate director, or associate manager. It is also frequently used in business names and logos as part of their branding. Overall, association serves as a shorthand way of indicating a level of responsibility or status within a particular context.